to be myself. I can't be no one else. When I'm feeling supersonic, get me to the tonic. You can have it all, but how much do you want it? You make me laugh. Give me your autograph. Get a ride with you in your BMW. You can sail with me in my yellow submarine. You need to find out, 'cause no one's gonna tell you what I'm on about. To find a way for what you want to say. But before tomorrow, when my friend said he'd take you home, you sit in a corner all alone. He lives under a waterfall when nobody can see him, nobody can ever hear him. Nobody can ever hear him. You need to be yourself. You can't be no one else. Yeah, I know Noel. She did to Alka-Seltzer. She slipped into a train on a Supersonic train, but she makes it out. So I got her autograph. Now she does it with a doctor on a helicopter. She's sniffing in a tissue, selling every issue when she finds out. No one's gonna tell her what I'm on about. She needs to find a way for what she wants to say. But if I